How far to Brazil? How many? Give us a rundown, please.
Haven't a clue.
Tell us.
I've got to go check on the map.
Alright. Tell us more or less.
Let me go find out.
Bring your big map. Bring that big map.
Tom, tell everyone what you do. Men work hard in this boat. They must eat well. If I fail them, they're going to fail me. Won't bring me to the other side. There you go, boss. Tell everyone what you're up to.
Well, we'll wait for John and let him tell us where we are. Seems like nobody really, we don't know our address exactly. But we're sailing lovely. Between 18 and 22 knots of breeze. Here comes a man to tell us where we are.
Hey guys, you want to know where we are?
Yes, please.
Okay, the closest land is Ascension Island. About, I've just measured it off, 240 miles to the east. We are roughly dead centre of the Atlantic between Angola and Natal in Brazil. Natal in Brazil, remember that. Okay. And we're about 7 degrees south of the equator. How's that for you, Harry? Good?
Show us where we are. Got a nice big map there. Open it up.
This was our last position at 12 o'clock. Ascension Island is here. This is Luanda. Natal is here. Salvador. And I think we're getting down towards Rio here. But that one's definitely San Salvador. Okay. Recife, our position, and this top line is the equator. So we are virtually dead centre of the Atlantic.
How deep is it here?
How deep? Depth is, there's a marker there, 4,023 metres. So it's a long way down. Okay guys,